How to activate a license. Once you've installed IntelliMix Room onto the conference room PC, you must use Designer software to activate the license. Open up Designer software and select My Project. Select New, click on Project, and create a project to activate licenses. Within that project, you'll see Location, Devices, and Licenses tabs. Click on Licenses, and within the Licenses tab, you'll be able to activate all IntelliMix Room licenses that have been purchased. Note, all instances of IntelliMix Room will need a license to pass audio. To activate your license, use the license ID that was sent to you via email when you purchased IntelliMix Room. Click on the Next button. During activation, the license ID activates all purchased installations by connecting to the remote license server. You must be connected to the Internet to perform license activation. Click on the Done button. This will take you to the IntelliMix Room Installations in Shure screen. You'll see in our example there are no devices listed. To see all devices online, you must navigate to the Online Devices list by selecting Online Devices on the left of the page, or go down to the bottom of the Designer page and click on Devices Online, then initialize your new endpoints. Once you click on Initialize, you'll notice the new endpoint shows up on the list with a red exclamation point in a circle. Click on the red circle, and you'll get a message that says Unknown License Information. Click OK to close the message. Then close the online device list by clicking on the red X in the upper right-hand corner. Now, under your project, you'll click on the License tab, and you will see you have available IntelliMix Room installations. Click on the IntelliMix Room you want to install, and move it into your project. As you do this, a message will pop up that you need to add a license ID to activate those IntelliMix Room installations. Click on Activate, and another message will appear asking you to choose the type of license you want to apply. This is dependent on the channel count of the license you purchased. There are two types of licenses, for 8 or 16 microphone channels. For our demonstration purposes, we'll select 16 channels. This will take you to the Activate License ID message, and you will need to enter a license ID. After you've agreed to the end-user license agreement, you can activate the endpoint. This will take you to the Activation Pending message. Activation will occur when an Internet connection is established on the remote computers. Select OK. You will see that the activation has occurred, and it shows both the channel count and the expiration date. Your activation is now complete, and the IntelliMix Room is ready to pass audio.